Welcome to this explainer on ChatGPT for teachers. If you're looking for a tool to simplify repetitive tasks, spark creativity, or provide quick solutions, ChatGPT can be a valuable assistant in your teaching toolkit. Let's explore how you can use it while ensuring responsible and secure practices. ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model that processes natural language. You can ask it questions, provide instructions, or request explanations, and it responds conversationally. It's like having a virtual teaching assistant ready to help anytime. Lesson planning and content creation. Need fresh ideas for your classroom? ChatGPT can suggest creative activities, draft lesson plans, or provide examples for specific topics. It can adapt complex concepts into simpler language for different grade levels, or create materials tailored to diverse learning needs. Second, assessment and feedback. ChatGPT can assist in creating quiz questions, crafting rubrics, and even generating feedback for assignments. It can help reduce your workload while maintaining a professional and thoughtful approach to assessments. 3. Personalized learning support. For students with unique needs, ChatGPT can generate additional practice exercises, alternative explanations, or examples. It complements your teaching by providing accessible resources for varied learning styles. 4. Administrative tasks. Whether it's drafting emails, writing reports, or creating meeting agendas, ChatGPT can help you complete these tasks quickly and professionally, freeing up more of your time. 5th, data protection and responsible use. As powerful as ChatGPT is, it's essential to use it responsibly. Never share sensitive information such as student names, grades, or personal details with the tool. Keep questions and tasks general to ensure privacy and compliance with data protection policies. Always review the content generated for accuracy and relevance before using it in your classroom or communications. 6. Professional development. Need quick insights on teaching strategies or the latest trends in education? ChatGPT can summarize research, suggest techniques, and inspire new approaches to classroom management and engagement. ChatGPT is a supportive tool, but it's not perfect. Use it to enhance your efficiency, spark creativity, and save time, but always rely on your professional expertise to guide decisions. Ready to give ChatGPT a try? Start with a simple task or question and see how it can streamline your workflow and elevate your teaching, all while keeping your data secure and your students' privacy protected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. We're here to help you stay ahead with the latest AI tools, teaching strategies, and EdTech trends.